Today is the start of a new journey. He's not feeling well. Today is his last day sa kanyang branch dito sa Bangalore. And tonight, he is heading to Mangalore. And tomorrow, magre-report na siya doon sa district ng Mangalore. This is the start of another chapter. How are you feeling?
New journey, new place, we'll see.
Na-anxiety
So many
daw siya.
uncertain things are there.
Yeah.
Like which place, which posting, and shifting, relocation, so many things.
So tonight, his bus will leave by 8. So alis na siya. May iwan kami ni Mishka. Our plan is not yet sure if we are going to follow him to look for a
Today,
house.
anyways, you are not coming.
Yeah,
Maybe
I'm
later.
not coming.
Later.
Yeah, I mean, in the coming days, I'm not sure if we are going to follow him there.
Because for me, exact place is not.
Finalized yet.
Yeah. So,
He needs to report tomorrow sa kanilang parang head office doon sa district na yon ng Mangalore. And then after that, he will be assigned kung saan siyang branch. So, bukas pa malalaman. And we'll see. Hoping that we'll be in a
city.
we're in a good place. So later, I'm going to pack his things, like working clothes that he's going to bring to Mangalore. Parang nakakalungkot na guys. Ito na talaga. This is it. We're going to leave this house. Ay, so many things are going on with our life. The beginning of a new chapter.
We'll see how it unfolds.
Yeah. Last day of work in Bangalore. Sabi niya, pray for me na hindi siya maiyak mamaya. Kasi they will have, meron yan silang parang pa-farewell party sa office after eh. Bye, Daddy. Oh, Daddy's still there. Your many flying kiss is not there. Maglalagay muna ako ng face pack before ako magsimulang mag-impake ng mga bag na Abhi. Actually, isang bag lang pala, hindi pala mga. Isang bag lang pala yung dadalhin niya, isang maleta. Tapos siguro backpack. Dito na yung bata. What are you doing? We're going to pack Daddy's bag, okay?
Ma, small, big.
Yes, that's for Daddy. We'll put that inside Daddy's bag, okay?
It put daddy face master.
Yeah. Daddy is using that for his face now.
Okay.
Where did you get that?
This one is for daddy. This one is for daddy.
One is for Mimi.
Yes.
Itong maleta na to yung kanyang dadalhin.
Where is going?
Daddy is going later, love. Daddy is going to work. Opsie!
So this is the conclusion. Happened faster than I thought, or a lifetime with perspective, end of an era after all. So where do you go at the end of the road? Or what do you say when it's done? And how do I stand at the end of the show and say goodbye to everyone? Don't be sad because it's over. Be glad that you have something good to miss. Don't be sad because it's over. Cause you already got what you wish. Don't be sad because it's over. This is the end, my friend. Did you enjoy the ride? The ups and the downs that you battled through, the silent wars of life. So where do you go at the end of the night, when all the chairs are stacked? How can you know the way to go forward when you can't stop looking back?
Ulam namin, guys. Combination ito ng red kidney beans, white kidney beans, tapos meron ding white chickpeas, tapos I think naglagay sa api dito ng peanuts. So ito yung ulam namin kaninang umaga. Tapos ito din yung baon ni Abhi sa lunch. So ito yung ulam ko for lunch. Pero dahil hindi kumakain to si Mishka, maghahanda ako ng eggplant para sa kanya. Meron din kaming dal na naluto ko kagabi, hindi pa naubo. So yan na lang yung partner ko para kay Mishka. Okay. Yung ginagawa ko dito is marinate ko siya na kahit hindi na nga magtagal, kahit ilang minuto lang na pag-marinate. Ito, ginger garlic paste. Like to eat this. So, ito na yung tanghalian ni Mishka ngayon. Kain tayo! Ano na ngayon? 5:50 na ng hapon ngayon. And sabi kanina ni Abhi na uuwi daw siya ngayong hapon ng mga 5:30 kasi yung kanyang bus papuntang Mangalore 8 ng gabi. Meron pa siyang 2 oras. Siguro na late siya kasi feeling ko merong parang farewell sa kanya yung kanyang mga office mate. Feeling ko lang. Kasi last day niya eh. So ngayon, ano na lang, hintay-hintay na lang muna kami sa kanya. And then we'll have to say goodbye to Daddy. Mimi, Daddy is going. Huh? Where Daddy is going? Bus. Where? Where?
Whole day.
Where?
Whole day.
What whole day? Why Daddy is going in the bus?
That is the bus. Get it now.
You don't know? You don't know? Hindi niya daw alam. Daddy is going to work, right? You will not cry later if Daddy will go? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, tingnan natin mamaya if iiyak ba or hindi. Pag alam niyang aalis na yung tatay.
Hi, Bakadi and is somebody.
That's your favorite food? What about banana? You like banana also? Is banana yummy or not? Yes. 6:30 na and sa Abhi tumawag. Pauwi pa lang siya kasi parang nag-celebrate pa sila doon sa kanilang office. What happened? It's okay. Katatapos lang namin magtawagan actually. Sabi niya yung mga ka-office mate niya daw, teary-eyed daw yung mga ladies niya. Kasi itong branch na to guys, ito yung pinakamahabang branch na pinagstayhan ni Abhi. Like, more than 3 years na dito siya naka-assign sa branch na to. And sabi ko sa kanya, yung mga customers nga, yung mga clients nila, sobrang, alam mo yun, na-attach sa kanya. Palagi yan guys, meron yan siyang mga letters na natatanggap, meron mga regalo, meron nga siyang na-receive recently lang na AirPods mula sa isang customer nila na nagpapasalamat sa kanya. Kasi galing siya sa US, nagbakasyon. So, pagbalik niya, meron siyang binigay kay Abhi na AirPods. Nagpapasalamat daw siya kay Abhi sa pagtulong sa kanya, sa pag-assist sa kanya. Hindi lang ngayon, ever since talaga, meron niyang sa Abhing mga letters na natatanggap mula sa mga customers niya, especially sa mga senior citizens. Yung mga appreciative na mga senior citizens na nagpapadala ng regalo, very personal siguro is yung pagpapadala nila ng letters, yung nagpapasalamat sila. Meron din nga nag-send sa kanya ng emails na parang ang haba-haba ng kanyang message na, yeah, thank you sa pag-assist mo. Kasi sa Abhi, kahit hindi yon yung kanyang job responsibilities, ginagawa niya. Kaya marami silang customers na naging parang kinoconsider niya siya na kaibigan, sobrang friendly sa kanya, tapos na-attach sa kanya. Hindi dahil asawa ko siya, no, sinasabi ko na ganito yung siya. Pero sa Abhi kasi, meron siyang, alam mo yung parang, siya, approachable. Approachable siya. Hindi siya yung parang, maiilang ka na lumapit sa kanya. Very approachable yan siya, especially sa trabaho. Minsan nagrereklamo lang yan siya na nakaka-stress yung trabaho. Pero pag nasa workplace yan siya, yung ginagawa niya sa kanilang opisina is way beyond his mga responsibilities. So today, naging emotional daw yung mga ka-office mate niya. And alam ko na din naman na magiging malungkot sila sa pag-alis ni Abhi nito. Kasi tuwing pumupunta ako doon sa kanilang opisina, guys, ma-feel mo talaga kung paano yung pagrespeto nila kay Abhi ba. Not just an office mate nila. Pero alam mo yung merong friendship. Inintay na lang siya namin ngayon kasi sabi niya pagdating niya daw, aalis agad siya. Daddy is here. It's okay. Nasa washroom siya. Welcome home, Daddy. How it feels? How's your last day? Emotional.
I don't feel good because of my staffs. Like I already started missing them.
Yung isa. What did you receive from your
Token
staff?
of love. But what I have received is much more than the gift and their words for me.
What they said? They have given you speech?
Kind of. It's not a speech. It's
Like farewell?
kind of few words. Only they have not said very much. And I don't want also, but I know what they were feeling for me. That I could have felt.
I can feel it. What's that? Open your gift. You're done. Okay, I'm coming. What's that?
Amazon voucher gift card, 2,000 rupees.
Wow.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Skin perfume they have given me.
They knew that you're addicted to perfumes.
From many days I
Skin.
wanted to buy this one. This was in my I got through that in
Bucket list.
Yeah, so this fragrance, this was there in my bucket list.
Okay. You'll use this? You will bring this? Should I use this?
Yeah.
Daddy is going back.
One iPhone charger also.
Yeah, there. Their luggage. Daddy is going now. water.
That was Mickey Mouse.
Hey, Daddy, did you do it? I love
That
it.
was Mickey Mouse.
Get up.
Hi, Daddy. It hit me.
Go. Like that first time, I'm missing everyone like anything. But what to do? Yes, it was really.
Daddy.
Okay, okay, Dipak, okay. Okay. Maybe that's why I asked that who has got me this gift. Yeah, I know that normally from branch we are getting this one
Voucher.
or something, one thing.
But they have given you
Madam's done. That's why I asked who has got me this.
perfume. Did you bring your perfume?
They didn't have that when I will carry.
Oh, that's your remembrance from your longest branch.
Yeah. No, not branch. It's about them.
Okay.
What makes special in branch? People.
Yeah.
Branch is brick and mortar will not make it special. People will make it special. Mimi!
Come on, let's go. We'll drop Daddy outside. Oh, look at Daddy. I am feeling sad. Mishi, wait for me. Diyan na yung Uber niya. Mishi, hold. Maybe she's expecting that we are also going with you, huh?
Hold baby. Sorry? Huh?
Mommy, I see playground.
Yeah. Say bye, Daddy.
Chalo, bye. Bye, Mimi.
Oh, sabi ko na eh. Love, Daddy. Love. See you in a few days. We'll see Daddy after a few days na. Bye, Daddy. We'll see Daddy after a few days na. Oh yeah, we'll buy. We'll buy gems. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Don't cry na. Iiyak din ako na. It's okay. Daddy will come back. Daddy will just go and then Daddy will be back after a few days. Umiiyak pa din pagkatapos. It's okay. Daddy will be back after a few days, love, love. Daddy will just look for a new house. And then Mommy and Mimi will follow Daddy. Okay? Okay?
No, I want Daddy.
I'm also feeling sad. See, there's lightning. It's okay. Daddy will be back soon, okay?
Mommy, I want Daddy, Mommy.
Okay. We'll call Daddy.
No, I want the outside Daddy.
Nalulungkot ako kasi una sa Mishka, umiiyak din. Tapos yung feeling na parang ito na talaga yung start na aalis na kami dito. Mamimiss ko yung Bangalore, but mas mamimiss ko yung lugar namin, itong bahay. Ito din siguro yung pinakamatagal na time na maiiwan kami dito ni Abhi ngayon, na kami lang ni Mishkang dalawa. Pero hindi pa sure kasi sabi niya if makakuha siya ng posting bukas, mabibigyan siya ng branch and then okay yung lugar. Siguro susunod kami ni Mishka doon para maghanap ng bahay. Yun yung plano pero hindi pa sigurado. If hindi Pag hindi ganun ka okay yung lugar, sabi niya siya na lang yung maghahanap muna. We'll see. We are just really hoping and praying for the best sa magandang patutunguhan namin, bagong chapter ng aming buhay. So yun, wish us luck guys. Kasi as of now, meron din kaming anxiety. May konting excitement na bagong lugar na naman yung pupuntahan namin. Pero yung, alam mo, yung natatakot din kami na what if hindi maganda yung lugar. Wish us all the best of luck in the world. Because right now, we kinda need your well wishes and prayers na sana maganda lang yung mapuntahan namin dito sa Mangalore.
Just neck to neck, traffic is much more than left.
Kasama ko yan siya naglalagay ng moisturizer sa gabi.
My baby said, Papa. Good boy, baby. That is
Wait, look here.
next time.
Baby's crying because dad is not there.
Yes,
What
that,
about you? Did you cry or not?
yes.
Sit down here
Yes,
with me.
I cried.
You cried?
I cried. I'm a daddy.
Put cheeks. Other side. Uy. You were looking for daddy. No.
Yes, I miss daddy.
Oh, it's okay. Daddy will come after a few days, okay? Now just you and mommy, okay? Say here.
The daddy.
Yeah. Yeah, ito yung aming nighttime routine. Say good night to them. Good night, everybody.
Thank you. Watch my video. He like this guy.
Mwah. So many flying kisses ba? Good night na. Bye.
Bye.